Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. So I wasn't tagged in this, but I was, this is a video response to Lee Ralph. And it was the 11 questions tag, so you know, I like videos like this because it kind of gives you a little bit more insight into your YouTuber versus just, you know, showing gear, making food. So, question number one. I hope you can hear me over the river okay. I might move to another location because I was up shooting earlier, but the smoke's just been a real pain. Do you prefer alone or in groups? I actually prefer both. Maybe group is a little bit more fun just because you have someone to talk to and interact with and shoot ideas off each other. So, but you know, there's something to be said for solitude. So I like both. Most challenging trip / hike. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I've had some hikes that were, oh, you know what? I actually had a hike that was up to, it's called, wow, I forget the name now. I did it too. Where was it? It was, burning camera time, trying to think. Oh, Mount Pilchuck. And it was basically, the first mile wasn't too bad, but the last 2 miles were nothing but rock hopping. So it was really, you know, it was kind of a, you know, it was hard going. I think I'm gonna move locations. Alright, so that should be a lot quieter. And actually it is, except for the gunshots in the background, but not much I can do about that. So number 3, most beautiful sleeping place. God, you know, that's a hard one too because there's been so many great ones. I mean, there's been Mount Baker, there's been this guy I know, Grant. Him and I went up top of a mountain, Mount Taylor, and had some really nice views. So that was pretty nice. But I'd say those two. Number 4, what winter activities do you do? Winter outdoor activities. Pretty much you see me doing it. I'm out here making fire, doing some lunch. I don't really do like any deep snow because I don't have snow tires in my truck yet, so there's areas I don't feel comfortable enough reaching because of the vehicle, and I don't want to get stuck. So yeah, I think that's a little bit better. Number 5. Have I ever been seriously hurt? Knock on wood, no. So. Not seriously, thankfully. When I did a hike once when I first started hiking and was coming down, I actually lost a toenail because my boots were my work boots and my foot was being crushed down into the front. So, but that wasn't really a serious injury. But I came home and noticed it, and then I put a bandage on it, and the next day the toenail just popped off. Number 6, do I practice any special outdoor survival skills? No, not really. I mean, fire making, but I feel like I've still just scratched the surface of the fire making, so nothing special. Number 7. I don't remember what number 7 was now. What do I think about? Oh, what do I think about a personal camp? I would love one. So I wrote these kind of shorthand. I would love to have a piece of property that I own that I could just go to, so no one else would be there. It would be mine. Hopefully, it would be no litter, trash, garbage. Set up things the way I would want to. You know, clear a nice flat spot, maybe put some logs around it in a square, in a rectangle, you know, and fill it with dirt, keep it nice and good. Number 8, favorite recipe. Well, it's not a recipe, but bacon is my favorite. But my favorite recipe is bannock. I do enjoy it. Although I did something different today, which I might have that video up first. How do I motivate myself in bad weather? Well, if it's raining, if it's really dumping down rain, I just stay home, you know, because the videos aren't going to be very fun to watch, because I'll be out there, I'm going to be miserable, so, you know, like, why do that to yourself? You know, sometimes the camera, though, in YouTube motivates me to get out, because, you know, I want to show you guys videos, so. Although I've gone to on rainy days, I have gone to the park and tried and sampled, like, canteen cup cooking, or I do some videos there, like, I did the Russian MRE there. Dream destination. Number 9. Sorry, I'm kind of falling in the hole here. Number 9 is, do I have a dream destination? I would really like to go to Alaska, and I really wouldn't mind going to like a tropical island. I think that'd be fun. You know, dream destination was number 10. So number 11, heaviest piece of equipment would probably be my Gransfors Brooks 19-inch forest axe at 3 pounds. Although I don't really think about the weight, because, you know, I like it so much. So, there's your questions. I appreciate your viewing. I'm going to tag Triumph Screen Printing. So I'll see a video from your brother. And also SMD482000. Steven, you're tagged, brother. We'll see a video from you. Alright, I appreciate you watching. I do. I love it when you guys comment. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.